Welcome back, Kevin's Mobile Repair. We've got a 2006 Porsche Cayenne. We are doing a blower motor today. This is the old one, nice and rusty inside. Makes a very loud ticking sound as it rotates, and it also rotates very slow. So we are replacing the entire blower motor assembly. I'll show you where the screw points are. It's going to be a 7mm screws. Got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I'll show you where they're at once it's up in the vehicle, and then a connector right here for the actual power supply and stuff. But that's not too bad to get to. All right. First thing you'll do is you'll take down your bottom panel. It's going to have a Torx bit right there, and then 2 clips on the side, and then it just comes down out of the way and disconnect your connectors for your electrical items right there. There's our connector for power supply. So here's everything up in the assembly on the passenger side. So it just got 6 7mm on one side, 6 on the other. The only fun part is gotta be kind of ambidextrous and hold this up into the assembly as you get a couple of the screws lined up and stuff. The only fun part is it's got to get positioned in there just right. Got to overlay certain pieces of plastic in order for it to sit in there correctly, otherwise holes don't line up and doesn't sit in there right. That's the only fun part. So you got to kind of hold your breath and hold everything in the right direction in order to make it work. But other than that, not really too much to it. Any questions or comments, please feel free to let me know. More videos coming.